Hello, and today's experiment is, am I eating iron? Would you believe that iron is a very important nutrient inside of your body? It gives you lots and lots of energy. For this experiment, we're going to test to see how much iron is actually in your cereal. You will need your magnet from your kit, and from home, your cereal, some water, and a plastic bag. Put about half a cup of cereal into your plastic bag and then crush it. Now add some water. You want to add quite a bit of water so you actually make like a puddle. Seal the bag and take your magnet. Hold the magnet so that the black side is facing down, and then lightly run the magnet over the water, and if there is iron in your cereal, you will see the cereal actually move up toward your magnet.